Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Moz Pro crawl issues and rank tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify Moz Pro crawl issues and rank tracking, start by logging into your Moz Pro account. Navigate to the campaigns section on the dashboard. Select the campaign you want to analyze. Once in your campaign, click on Site Crawl in the left-hand menu. This will open the Site Crawl dashboard, where you can view current crawl data. Look for any notifications indicating crawl issues. Pay attention to the summary of errors and warnings displayed. Click on each error type for detailed information. Review the specific pages that Moz Pro has flagged. Analyze the reasons behind each crawl issue. If a page is not indexed, check for potential blocking factors in the robots.txt file. Address any server errors that may be preventing access. Next, move to the rank tracking section, which can also be found in the left-hand menu. Select Rank Tracker to see your current keyword rankings. Review the list of keywords and their positions in search results. Pay attention to any significant drops or gains in rankings. Click on individual keywords for more detailed tracking history. This will show you fluctuations over time, helping identify patterns. Use this information to optimize your SEO strategy going forward. Continue monitoring both crawl issues and rank tracking regularly. Make adjustments as needed to improve your website's performance in search engines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.